Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report today for Denise in Ohio of the Superstar SS-158FB4. Not sure if we did a video for this one. If not, here's introducing the FB4. Alright, you can see it's the standard Superstar 158, but with a very large amplifier on the bottom. Alright. We have a switch that we put in the back that turns that amp off. So right now, let's take a look at what the power does with it off. Let's see, we're gonna go RF power all the way down is just under 1 watt, all the way up just under 5 watts. Peak power on the 50 watt slug in the middle scale there. Audio. Okay. Sideband on there. And turn this radio down now. Audio. Audio. Okay, now we'll kick on that switch and change out this slug for 500. So now we're reading the same scale, except that's not 20 now, that's 200, and that's 500. Alright, well, we'll come back over here, and let's put this on 100 scale, so I can show you all the way down is 10 watts. Put it back on AM. All the way down is about 10 watts, maybe 9. And all the way up is about 90 watts now. As the temperature changes, it'll be 100 again. Alright. About 10 there. If I turn it all the way up, we get about 100. And on the 500 slug, now reading in the middle scale. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. And here's sideband. Audio. Oops, wrong scale. Audio, check. Audio. There you go. And that's sideband AM. FM follows AM on this radio. And that's it. I'll put it on here. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check break? Camera is working. We're over here at Commercial and Dixie Highway, Ryder. Mile marker 31 on 95. 10-4. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good day.